I bought these toys. These are called Smashy Mashies. They're kind of odd, so that's why I picked them up from the store today. So they have hazard all over them, like hazard lines. They have all green goop or slime. I don't know what it is. Turn it up that way, slime, so you won't see the magical creature. Ew, it's so gooey. So cool though, guys. Yeah, so I think it moves around in there. So what you get is a smashy catapult. I think you can smash this open and actually get what's out of it. Because my mummy thinks that you can't actually get slime out of it, but I think when you open it, you can. So I think you could smash it open. A smashy creature, sticker, secret decoder. Wow. Collector's poster and word search and mystery buddy. That's pretty interesting. Let's open it. Okay, no little zips to open this. Wow, I didn't know it's going to be grey. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. Okay, so do you do that? Wait, what do you do? Let's unscrew this. Oh, wow. Oh, you can't get the slime out. Oh well, we're going to smash this open on another video probably. Oh, that looks cool like that. I smell something good. Okay guys, so I've got an empty toxic waste catapult, which these aliens from outer space came from. So first we got a Squishy Mashy. Smells good. And then we got another little blind bag, which is the extra mini squishy, the little. And then we got a dinosaur sticker. Pretty cute. And then we got this, which is pretty cool. Don't forget we're going to be opening this one as well. And then we got the checklist. Let's see who we got, guys. So we got Mystic Cat and Saga, Unipug and T-Bone, I want that one. T-Rox and Cheddy, I think I got that one because I got a sticker for it. Squats and Fizz, Sneaks the Alien and Cheetah. I told you they came from outer space, didn't I? Laid Back Llama, oh I want that one. And Crisps. I like the way it's spelled with a Z. Let's see what's in my blunt mix. Oh, by the way, there's a little Dakota thing on the back, which I really want to do. It's a little maze you can have a go at. Let's open it! Come on, Louise. Yes! We got the T-Rex! Whoa, that's pretty cool. That smells good. It's too squishy. I love your green! Your green! I swim in green! That's pretty fun. Okay, let's see what the mystery squishy is. Which I think is a bag of chips. Or in English. Which I am. Oh, I said American first. Oh look, yeah, your crisps. Yeah, they're American, so chips. Can we even have faces on it though? Oh, it does! It's gone off like it. So cute. There's a little keychain in here. Oh, two. Oh, this way. Let's open the next one. Oh, wow. I want to see my name. Oh, I think we got this one. I love that one. That was my favourite one on the checklist. Let's open them. Yes, they are. Okay. Whoa! See, it's my favourite one because look how cute and funny it looks. Whoa! But not brown. Like that. Imagine I dressed up as that thing. That would be funny. La la la. I don't know what comes with it. I think it's a little see a drink. Yep, it's definitely a drink. Had to be cola. Oh, poor little cola. Sticker just fell off. But it's cola. That cola wasn't its cola's day today. Oh, I know how colas die. They get drunk and then they got no more energy to live. Okay, guys, it's the same maze. I smell like raspberries and stuff like that. Tropical, good squishy. He's an angry woolly mammoth. He wants some Coke, but it has no energy left in it, so it can't give it Coke. That's my little story. Where's the Coke? Okay, guys, so they're slow rising squishies, and they're really cool, and I love them. Kind of thing. My favourite one's the dinosaur. When I saw it, it looked pretty cool. Put it in. Oh, I have the best idea. I'm going to put them in, I'm going to shuffle them up, and you've got to guess. Put down in the comment down below. Okay, I'm going to call this one T-Rex and Woolly Mammoth. No, cool do T-Rex, and then Angry Woolly Mammoth. I'm going to mix this up and comment down below. Comment down below which one you think's in the left and which one's in the right. So say left ... what it is. And I'll show you in the next video what it is. So yeah. Bye guys! If you like this video, please like, subscribe and